Hi guys, welcome back to El Rancho Roomies. We apologize for not having a video last week. We were on vacation, but we have an awesome video planned for you guys today. We have 4 awesome science experiments that you can do at home. But without further ado, let's get started. So first, we are going to be doing the egg drop challenge. So what you're going to need for this is a cup, a plate. We're just using a cardboard plate. You can use a Frisbee, a pie tray, whatever you have. Just make sure it's not breakable. I don't want to break anything because you're hitting it. And then toilet paper roll and an egg. Okay, so first you're going to need to fill this up with water. Okay, so then after that, place the plate on top of the water, and then the toilet paper roll, and then the egg. Me and Henry are both going to try this out. Henry, you can go first.
Sorry,
okay,
plate?
So you hit the plate, which will then take the toilet paper with it, and the egg should just drop straight into the water. So, Henry, you get to try it first. Ready? Yeah! So I'm gonna try now. This looks really cool. Okay. It's my turn. I'm kind of scared. Okay.
Oh. You made it inside the sink.
That's really cool. So the egg drop challenge is really cool. We tried it out many times. So now we are going to make the elephant toothpaste. So for this, you're going to need a water bottle, like this one, something like this. Just has to be about 16 ounces. And then some hydrogen peroxide, a tablespoon of dry yeast, some warm water, liquid dish soap, some food coloring, a small cup, we're using the cup that we used last time, and a funnel. So first what you'll do is you'll use the funnel to carefully pour a half cup of hydrogen peroxide into the bottle. Okay, so then after that, you can use about 10 drops of your favorite color of food coloring into here. So we're going to use green, which is Henry's favorite color. Okay, number 10. Okay, so then after that, add 1 tablespoon of the dish soap. And make sure to mix it into the bottle once you're done. I'm gonna use the funnel for this just in case. Okay, so then now if you've done that with mixing it up and putting the soap in there, and mixing it up, then mix 3 tablespoons of water with the 1 tablespoon of yeast. And make sure to mix it for about 30 seconds. And also make sure that the water is warm. Now that you're done with that, we're going to set the water bottle on the plate. We're going to take the funnel, put it here, and now we're going to put the mixed mixture of warm water and yeast in there, and it's going to make elephant toothpaste. It's going to be really cool. This is awesome. It went everywhere. Right, we used the plate. So make sure that you don't touch it right away. It is safe to touch after a little bit though, because when it comes out, it gets kind of hot. So be safe and don't burn yourself. But now we need to clean this up because we're going to reuse this bottle and we're going to make lava lamp. It's going to be really cool.
That feels so weird.
So Henry left and now Eva is here with me. If you are using a liter bottle, then it will be 3/4 cup of water. If you are using a water bottle like we are, then it is 3 ounces of water, about there. And then you'll need vegetable oil, some Alka-Seltzer or just any fizzing tablet that works, and some food coloring. So first, we are going to get some water and use the funnel to pour it into the water bottle. And now we are going to pour the vegetable oil through the funnel and into the cup. So you'll fill it up until it is almost all the way full. Okay, so now we're gonna wait for this to all separate. Okay, so now it is separated and we're gonna put 10 drops of some food coloring in there. Now we are going to wait for the food coloring to go all the way down to the bottom and mix with the water. Okay, so now that the food coloring is mixed with the water, now we are going to break the Alka-Seltzer tablet in half and we're going to put it in here. And keep it going, put the other half in, and so on. Okay, watch it go, this is cool. And fortunately, this will only work if you have Alka-Seltzer and you're just putting it there. But this is awesome. But look at it. It's all dark now. So that one was really, really cool. And keep it going, it'll work forever. You just need to keep on putting Alka-Seltzer in there. So that's really cool. So to conclude these awesome science experiments that you can do at home, we're going to do the exploding lunch bag. This one's going to be really, really cool. Okay, so for the exploding lunch bag, you're going to need 1 small sandwich-sized Ziploc bag. Then you're going to need baking soda, warm water, vinegar, measuring cup, and a tissue. So first what you're going to do is put 1/4 of a cup of pretty warm water into the bag. Okay, so then after you pour the water into the bag, then you'll add 1/2 cup of vinegar into here. Now, after you do that, we are going to put 3 teaspoons of baking soda onto the middle of the tissue. Okay, so then once you are done with that, wrap it up. You're gonna have to act fast, so you have to zip it up, the Ziploc bag, a little bit and leave enough room so you can put the baking soda in there with the tissue, and then close it quickly because it's gonna start expanding with carbon dioxide. Okay. Okay, here goes. And it's gonna explode. This is gonna be really cool. Okay. Get ready and if you need to, you can shake it up a little bit because this isn't really working. Okay, just be careful because it might explode on you. I don't know why this isn't working. Should work. There it goes.
Oh, that's cool.
I know, it should have been really quick. Maybe it'll work for you guys. I don't know. You guys can tell us on our Discord. Thank you guys so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed. We had really fun making this and doing all those really cool science experiments. We hope that you guys tried them at home and you can show us how well your version of these science experiments turned out, and you can send us a video of it on our Discord. That'd be awesome. And we'll see you next week.